got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Sean B Nice, back again with some more Heat Rock, and today we are looking at the Samsung Gear S3, like what's on my Samsung Gear S3, and it's mainly focused on the watch faces because there are a few videos where I have different watch faces on, or even on my Instagram. If you guys didn't know, I'm on Instagram way more than any other social media, even more than Twitter, Snapchat, all that. So if you want to like stay in tune on what I'm doing and catch up on all that and see what videos I'm working on, go to Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. All my social media is down in the description below. But a lot of people always ask me like, hey, where's that watch face and what kind of watch face is it? What's the name? So I'm gonna go through like some of my favorite watch faces that I use like every week and show you where you can get it from. And now, if I can, I don't know if the Samsung Galaxy App Store let me link them down, but I would try to link them down in the description below so you can go check them out for yourself. Some are free and some I paid for. But some of these I caught on sale, like the apps, they'd be like $2. I caught them when they was like free. So you just gotta pay attention to that store, yo. So let's go check it out. Let's go ahead and go to the Samsung Gear joint and look at some of these watch faces. All right, I wanna touch on this watch face first because it's actually one of my favorite watch faces. The reason why this is my favorite watch face is because of the fact that you get to, what's the word I'm looking for? Have a competition with your buddy. As you guys can see, like these little two people at the bottom walking or whatever, you can actually set up a competition with someone and it actually tracks it. So, for example, we go on our phone and we go to the Samsung Health store. I mean, the Samsung Health app. You go to Together. You guys can see that. Or there, and then you can. I only got 3 friends who actually like pay attention to Samsung Health. Unfortunately, I wish all my friends did. But you can issue a challenge to somebody. It's like if you want a one-on-one challenge, and I can select the friend who I want to select. And so I issue to my boy Max, and I want to say, hey, dude, I want to issue you a 5,000 step challenge. Hopefully the camera focuses so you guys see that. I want to issue a 5,000 step challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and hit start, and whenever he receives it or whatever, we'll start the challenge up, and then you would actually be able to see these little bars. It'll be real time as far as who's winning, who's in the lead or not. Okay, so this one here, this actually is already on your watch. It's called Steps Challenge. Check it out, man. Just so you guys can see for yourself. There it is. I don't know what's the point. So moving on. Next one is this Mario Brothers one. Now, Super Mario rather. Now this one's pretty dope because it's kind of like a little nostalgia feeling and it moves. You know what I'm saying? Like it's animated. You guys can see that in the background. It's moving around, stuff like that. Again, let's go see if this one's actually free in the App Store. Okay, so as you guys can see, I got the free version. So this one is definitely free. Would I be able to share this with you guys? I was gonna make sure I can provide the links for y'all. So I will be able to provide links for you guys to share these watch faces. So that's good. Again, excuse the alarm. This is the Mario, like Super Mario. He's not calling that. You can kind of see he put the initials for it, but this is one of my favorite watch faces too. Sometimes I just kind of feel like on nostalgic mode. This is what I rock with. All right, moving on to one of the best movies of all time that my father used to take me to see all the time, and I love it. That's gonna be the James Bond joint. This one here, this is a better version if I'm not mistaken. This is like the Agent version 2 or something like that. Yeah, here it is, Golden Agent 2. Now this one here is like $1. Not bad. I still think it's worth it if you ask me, because it's everything you get with it. And again, so this is probably, this is the older version here. This is the first version I bought here. Go ahead and open back up. All right, so here's the newer version. This is the version I use now because it's got like a lot more information as far as the distance I walked today, the time, the date, all that stuff like that, all important information. And it actually has a percentage now, an actual percentage that you can see on your phone. So I rock with this one pretty heavy. I use this one a lot. It always gets a lot of love on my Instagram. So that's watch face number 3. Let's go check out the next one, and that's going to be, now this one's pretty basic. Only reason I got this one joint, and this is free too. Only reason I got this because of the Division. I like the Division game where I used to, and it just kind of reminded me of that. So it's, it's nothing we can do with that. Now here's one of my like all-time favorites, and this is called Taurus. As soon as I can find it, this joint here. I love this watch face so much, and the reason why is because you can change the colors on them. Here we go. Now it's red, orange. I mean, you got different colors that you can use, and also all these little icons around here, they actually work. So you could actually you know, select some. So if we go to, we go to settings and hit in the corner, right hand corner, and it takes you to your settings. You see what I'm saying? So this one, I like this one the most because it's the most useful. Okay, this one's definitely my favorite out of all of them. Now, last one is gonna be Fallout. I'm not even a huge Fallout game player. I just like it because of the way it looked and it's animated, yo. Like, look at this. This is dope, yo. Your watch looks futuristic as hell with this thing on, man. So, yeah, like, this is definitely fun to have on your watch, man. Most people who like, if I'm on the street and if I like see what time it is, say, hey, what kind of watch is that? And then they say, oh, that's pretty cool. And then they see the watch, it's like, yo, dude, I love that game, blah, blah, blah. So this thing here, and it actually gives you how much battery life you got left, the date, how many steps you walk, status, gallery, music, all that, and all those work. So let's, for example, go to music, boom, take it right to your music. J. Cole, shout out to J. Cole. So yeah, those are my top 5 watch faces for this thing here. Now, again, if you guys didn't see this video, and I hope you did, it's called Music Mate. If you have a Samsung Gear, this is a app you definitely want to have for your watch. Let me go to it right now. Here's the app right here. It's called Music Mate. I covered this app, you know, so make sure you check it out. But this allows you to take music from the Google Play Music, you know, the app itself, and actually put it on your watch for free, yo. Like, it's so dope. Now it's a limited use, but I'll put a lot of songs on there. And you can actually, you don't have to use like just the playlist. You can actually, you know, click on the playlist and go to what songs you want on there. So if I want it from When the Bell Tolls, I could put that on there with no problem. And you just hit back and hit download queue. And then these are the ones that, you know, was in there or whatever that I just never got a chance to do. But yeah, you see how the app work. Again, I'll go over this app in, you know, greater detail on an actual review I did of this app. So I'll make sure I link it down in the description below if you are a new Samsung Gear user. So at the end of the day, man, this is definitely, I think, the best looking smartwatch on the market, the most functional, all that. I really enjoy this watch, and it really completes the whole shebang with the Note 8 or any other Samsung device. Now, if you guys are interested, let me know if you're interested in seeing how this pairs up with the iPhone. Let me know in the comment. Let me know in the comment down below. I definitely make a video on that. See if we can actually get the whole day or something like that. If you want me to do a vlog on it, or if you just want me to review it like this, let me know in the comments down below, man. Help this video get like 25, 30 likes. Definitely helps my channel out, for real. I'm not one of those YouTubers that say that stuff just to be saying it, like, nah, your boy is still at the bottom of the post, so you gotta get them likes up. Go ahead and get this video out there a little bit more. So, other than that, man, it's your boy Sean B Nice. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm out.